Hey folks, welcome back. Chapter 12, Step 1, Social Networking. Let's just jump right into this and show you what we're talking about here. Let's open up the index page. Now, social networking icons are part of the library folder or the Dreamweaver assets. And because it's a library component, we're going to preview a page in our browser first before we start making changes. And it also helps me to demonstrate what we're going to change. But as I've mentioned probably in most of the previous videos, if you're working with any library component, preview a page in your browser first, just like so. Make your changes, come back to your preview page, hit the refresh button, make sure the change is exactly what you want. Then you can go back to Dreamweaver and close down your library page. If it's not what you want, your library page is open. You can hit Control Z or Control Z on the keyboard to undo whatever work you've been doing, sort of get it back to a starting position or starting point, and then try again. In this case, we're going to be changing the social networking icons, and we're actually just going to be updating the links to these, and it's fairly straightforward once we get the page open. So let's go to Dreamweaver, let's close down our previewed page, and let's open up the library folder. And now we're going to open up the social networking folder and the Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn library page. There it is right there. To update the link to your Facebook account, select the Facebook icon. Right down below here, you see we have this link, Facebook i3D themes. Basically, if you were to double click on the word i3D themes, like so, or select it with your cursor, just type in the name of your Facebook account right here. So whatever you would send to your friends, you would paste in here. So if you say, hey, this is my Facebook page, whatever that link is that you would send to people, maybe in an email or something, it's exactly what you paste in here. Also, it's the same link that Facebook sends you when you sign up. They send you an email saying, hey, thanks for joining, here's a link to your Facebook account, and you paste that link right in here. Same thing for Twitter and for LinkedIn. Whatever your LinkedIn page or your Twitter page, whatever the link to your account is, your absolute URL, so it would start with twitter.com, as you can see here, and then go to i3D themes, right? That's where you paste that information in. If you want to remove an icon, fairly straightforward. Just select one like so, and you'll see that it says div LinkedIn wrapper, or I select the Twitter, and down below in the quick tag selector bar it says div Twitter wrapper. Yeah, just select that entire wrapper and hit delete on the keyboard, and that's all you have to do.